Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube error 400. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm going to go through the most common fixes first. So fix number one is to refresh your page. So we can go ahead and click on Control on a keyboard and R, and that's going to reload the page. Now, fix number two is go ahead and clear YouTube cookies. So what we can do is type in this Chrome settings site data and then hit enter. Then on the left hand side, we want to go ahead and click onto privacy and security and then click on delete browsing data. Uncheck browsing history and download history. Just make sure cookies and other site data is checked in cached image and files. And at the top here, we don't want to do last out. We want to go ahead and click on all time and then click delete data. Then from there, restart your browser. Now the next fix is to go ahead and locate your extensions and then click on to manage extensions. Now you want to go ahead and disable each and one of these extensions and retry YouTube. Now if the YouTube works, we want to come back to extensions and then start enabling these one by one to find out which one of these extensions could be the culprit. Now the next fix is to go ahead and try YouTube in incognito mode. So click on three dots, incognito mode, go back to YouTube and see if that fixes your issues. Now, if we're still having issues, we might need to go ahead and try it on another browser to see if it's a browser related problem. So if you're using what am I using? I'm using Google Chrome, so we can use Microsoft Edge, Firefox. Now, if it works on any one of those and not your browser that you're trying, well, that must be a browser related issues that you might need to delve a little bit deeper into, to the point you might need to reinstall that browser onto your device or make sure your browser is up to date with the latest version.